Get started. First, open your web browser and type Oracle JDK download into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the Oracle JDK website. Choose the version of the JDK that matches your operating system, whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Make sure to select the correct installer for your system. After downloading the installer, open it and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Next through the prompts and then Install to complete the installation. Once done, click Close. To make sure the JDK is installed correctly, open your command prompt or terminal. Type Java version and press Enter. You should see version numbers displayed confirming that the JDK is set up correctly. If you don't have VS Code installed, check out our previous video for installation instructions. The link is in the description box below. To add Java support, we need to install the Java extension pack. Click on the extensions view icon on the sidebar or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. In the search bar, type Java extension pack. Find the extension developed by Microsoft and click Install. This pack includes essential tools like the Java language support and the debugger for Java. To make sure everything is working, let's create a simple Java project. Open Visual Studio Code. On the top in the search bar type Java and click on Create New Java Project. Click on No Build Tools. Select the folder location where you want to create the project. Type folder name and the folder is created. Click on the new file and name the file helloworld.java. The helloworld.java file, write the following Java code. The name of the class and the file should be the same. Run your program. You should see Hello World displayed in the terminal. Stay tuned and happy coding!